Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 4th, 1918. Firmness produces heroism. Continuing in my usual state, I was lamenting to Jesus about my poor state, and he told me,
"My daughter, courage, do not move in anything. Firmness is the greatest virtue. Firmness produces heroism, and it is almost impossible that one not be a great saint." Even more, as she keeps repeating her acts, she forms two bars, one to the right and the other to the left, which serve her as support and defense. And as she reiterates her acts, a fount forms within her of new and increasing love. Firmness strengthens grace and places on it the seal of final perseverance. Your Jesus does not fear that his graces may remain without effects, and therefore I pour them in torrents over the constant soul. From a soul who today operates and tomorrow does not, who now does one good, now another, there is not much to expect. She will not have any support, and will be bounced now to one point, now to another. She will die of hunger, because she will not have the fount of firmness which makes love arise. Grace fears to pour itself, because she will abuse it and will use it to offend me.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.